Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get codes in Archero 2, okay? First you need to get your user ID, right? So come here, click on these three horizontal lines, then I want you to click on settings. So this is your user ID. I want you to go and copy this, we're going to be using this later. I can close the game, go to your browser, and then I just want you to search this up, okay? Archero 2 codes on Google. You'll see a bunch of different websites, and you'll see when they last updated it. So this one was last updated 3 days ago, this one was 5 days ago, right there for February 2025. You can just go ahead and click on any. And if I come and scroll down here, you'll see the active codes, all right? So all you need to do is copy these codes, right? And then just go to the official redemption page, type in your user ID, paste that in, enter the redemption code and also the verification code. And in this case, it is 7523. Go ahead and paste in the redemption code, and then just go ahead and click on redeem, and it will reflect on your account in the game as well. Okay, it's really that easy and simple. You can get a bunch of different codes from different websites, see the ones that are active and that have been lately updated. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.